I've been using this router for 2 years now. This is hands down the best bit of kit I've ever used. So let's dive in and take a look at why that is. Weighing in at only 2.3 kilos, cordless router is very portable, ideal for a hobbyist or professional alike. Despite being a work tool, this router is easy to hold with rubber grippers and an LED light to enhance the experience. This ease of view helps increase the accuracy you'll get from this bit of kit. This router has 2 modes of use. First, as a plunge base, ideal for kitchen worktops or other heavy duty use. The second is with the small fixed base, which effortlessly turns this into a palm router, ideal for finishing projects with those roundovers or chamfers. Changing from one to the other couldn't be any easier. With 2 quick release locks, the router motor easily slips from one base to another in seconds. This ease of detachment also allows quick and obstacle-free access to the spindle nut. Changing bits takes seconds compared with the fixed base models where access can be restricted. This router also comes with 2 collets, a 1/4 inch and an 8mm. This is great as it allows for a wider selection of bits to be used, depending on where you buy your bits from. When using, it's clear that the motor is far superior to cheaper models. The hand-adjusted speed helps it switch between 16,000 and 27,000 RPMs. The powerful brushless motor takes the 18-volt XR battery, soft starts, so the router doesn't try to pull away from you. It has a great battery life, as you would expect from DeWalt. And this brings me to the only negative that I can find with this tool. With the battery mount being on the top, the larger batteries make the tool slightly top heavy. I prefer to use a 2 amp over the 5 amp. Let's be clear though, I'm scratching around for something negative to tell you, so this is a balanced review. So let's talk about the elephant in the room then, the price. Buying DeWalt isn't cheap, but I've got a feeling you already know that. As of January 2025, this router is coming in at between £280 and £330, depending on where you purchase it from. And overall, I'm really impressed with this bit of kit. It's well built, durable, and easy to use. 3 things that I love. So thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of this 3-minute review. If you have, I've got plenty of other videos and reviews on my channel. If you could really help me out and hit that like and subscribe button, it'd be appreciated. And there should be a video loading up down here for you to have a look at next.